everyone, this is Lisa Little Toe. Welcome to my channel. So yesterday I went to Hobby Lobby for the first time ever because on the Facebook group, the Traveler's Notebook Forum, I saw that several people had posted about the Traveler's Notebooks that were on sale at Hobby Lobby. So I went. And I found the planner section, which was like at the back of the store. And then I saw that there were Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebooks on sale, and so were the Carpe Diem Traveler's Notebooks. But I decided to go with this Webster's Pages champagne color, just because it really caught my eye. There were floral ones, but those were regular price. And then I saw that the pink blush and white stripes were also on sale, but that one had run out. This is originally $30, and I bought it for $7.50, which is a steal. That's basically 75% off. And then this is just a plastic cover packaging. And then on the elastic, there's this tag, and it says, "Hello, beautiful." And then when you open it up, there's a ton of pockets here, and then there's also more pockets in the back. So there's a window pocket, and then several more, and then the secretarial, and then this pocket here. There's another one here, and then there's a top one where you can put like a list pad. And then there's also an elastic, which I really like because I usually just keep whatever pen that I'm using like hooked on right here or like on the edge. So this pen elastic loop is like, it's awesome. And then I'll take this out. And then it also comes with 4 elastics for 4 notebooks. And if you wanted, you could always add extra elastic so that you can add more notebooks. And then this insert here is just a standard size. It's 8 1/4 by 4 1/4, and hello is embossed on the front. It's just a blank insert, and it's stapled. And at the back it says Classic Blank, Webster's Pages. When I bought this Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook, I didn't really know what I wanted to use it for, but I've decided to just put my May Designs notebooks in here. And I have 2, as you can see, and then there's still plenty of room left for more if I wanted. On the side, I put this little starfish charm. And then I haven't really decorated the pockets at all, but I put in all these little stickers and page flags that I normally kept at the back of this notebook in this pocket that I made. But now it all gets to live right there. And then here's one May Designs notebook, and then here's the other one. And before I had kept these in the Jane Davenport Traveler's Notebook, and there was some overhang about that much, which really didn't bother me, but now seeing them in this notebook, this cover that fits these notebooks, it looks really nice. And then here I have a Pilot G2 gel pen in the pen elastic. And there it is. It's super cute. And this is not actual leather. It's faux leather. And it feels pretty nice for what it is. I don't think I would actually pay $30 for it, but for $7.50, it's a steal. So I hope you guys are able to find this at your local Hobby Lobby. And if you want to see more Traveler's Notebooks, please subscribe, hit that like button, and follow my Instagram at Lisa Little Toe. It's the same name as this channel name. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!